In this episode, a clever pantry redesign uses entropy principles to minimize decision fatigue by grouping snacks by expected energy needs and time to eat. Containers are arranged from quickest grab to longer prep, reducing mental load and speeding up choices without sacrificing variety. The science rests on optimizing cognitive load and predictable retrieval paths, much like data sorted for easy access in a library. In real life, a busy parent presorts kids' snacks into zones that mirror snack urgency, cutting kitchen rummaging by half. The result is calmer mornings and fewer impulsive buys, powered by simple organization informed by physics.